Hey there, in today's video, I'll guide you the operation of the auto-fill cigar humidifier. Step 1. Placement and sensor setup. First, position your humidifier at the bottom of the cabinet. The 1-meter sensor wires give you flexibility. Place the sensor where your cigars are stored for the most accurate humidity readings. Step 2. Connect to the water hose. Take your water hose and securely connect it to the humidifier's water inlet. This hose will ensure a continuous water supply. We recommend using distilled water for the best performance over the water supply. The auto-fill cigar humidifier is equipped with a float value system. When the water level in the humidifier drops, the float valve automatically opens, allowing water to flow in and maintain the same water level. When the water level reaches the optimal level, the float will stop working automatically. Now you can see the float stops working. Watch the water level indicator when the float stops automatically and it shows level 8.5. Step 3. Control panel mastery. Let's cover on the unit. Please pay attention. Stop humidity data is always higher than the stop humidity. Otherwise, it will turn into the fault code. Currently, it shows off. Press the power button to activate. Now it displays current humidity, in this case 63% RH. Start humidity 60% RH. Stop humidity 70% RH. To set your desired range, first press and hold on the down button for 3 seconds until the display flashes. Now use the up or down button to set your aim humidity. We set the stop humidity at 72% RH. The operation to set the start humidity setting is the same as the stop humidity setting. We do it 62% RH. That's today's tutorial on how to use the auto-fill cigar humidifier. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cigar humidifier related content. I'm Cloud from GetJoeAir. Thank you for watching.